Balances for live orders and returns will show on the cash flow forecast. Settings can be enabled to remove VAT from the values. The requested date for orders is used with the terms of the account to forecast the expected payment or receipt. If there's no requested date, the order date is used. Forecast dates can be entered directly onto orders and returns and also on the individual order and return item lines. To view balances for outstanding orders and returns, open the cash flow forecast, select the cash flow set that you're working with and expand the purchases section and purchase orders. The level of detail is set to account, and that's the reason why you're seeing balances at account level. To see balances at order level, select document, or to see it down to item line, select item. When you go and view the purchase orders, you are now seeing balances at order level and item line level. Red is expected payments for orders and green is expected money in for returns. The colours are set within settings. In this example, payments for this order is expected in November. If I right click the balance, I can view or amend the order depending on my permissions. In this example, there's no requested date, so the document date of October with the terms is what was used to project the expected payment in November. Forecast dates can be set directly on the order header and on the individual item lines. For this item, I'm going to add a 15th of November date for the requested date. When refreshed, this has now moved the expected balance out to December using the requested date. You can add and remove forecast dates using the right-click functionality, or you can use the drag and drop. Memos can be added at order level, or at item line level. The memos can be viewed directly from the order on the cash flow memo screen, where you can also add memos directly to the order or the item line. The settings can be amended to exclude VAT from the values.